Hi everyone. For Readers and Writers Workshop this week, I'm going to give you a little bit of a break since this is our last week before Christmas break, and we are just going to do our sight word booklets as part of your Readers and Writers Workshop. So today we are going to do the sight word book for B. That's our sight word that we learned earlier today. And the book that you need to get is I Can Be. That's the one that I sent home in your packet, so look for that one. Plus you need a pencil. I can be. And look how great this is that we've already learned this sight word, we've learned this sight word, and we've learned now this sight word. So this should be a piece of cake for you to read. I can be. Okay? So go ahead and write your name on the front. You know that's the very first thing that you always do. And when you are done with that, go ahead and open to page 1. And that's our very first page right here. All right. Hopefully everybody's ready to go. All right, now some of these words right here, they may be a little bit difficult, but again, once you learn the word, then you'll be fine. It's hard to tell what she's doing here. Remember, we always try and look at our picture to figure out our words. But I know we know these words. I can, and our new sight word that we're going to fill in is be. And then this is scared. If you look at her face, she does look scared, doesn't she? And that would be kind of a hard word for us to figure out, but we've got some skills that we can sound it out. Scared. All right, so take your pencil. You're going to write the word be. And if you're not sure how you spell that, be, I'm going to use a red marker just so you can see it. The pencil might be kind of hard to see when I write it. I can be scared. I guess everybody can be scared, right? We don't want to be scared, but that's true. You can be scared sometimes. Great. Go ahead and move it over to page 2. Remember, you can always look for the page numbers down at the bottom to know where you're at. Oh, she doesn't look scared anymore, does she? So what does she look? Happy, did you say? I hope so. So let's read it together. I can, and then remember our sight word is be, happy. She is happy. All right, go ahead and write be. B, E. I can be happy. All right. Go ahead and turn your page to page 3. Oh, that's true. I didn't realize that's going to come through on my paper, isn't it? So let me grab a crayon and see if I can do that better than the marker. Okay. Oh, what does his face look like? Oh, he looks angry, doesn't it? But let's look at our word. Angry doesn't look like it says angry. Mad. Mad. All right, so let's read our sentence. I can be mad. Let me write my B in there. It's hard to see, but B-E. I can be mad. Yeah, people can be mad. That's okay to be mad. Great. All right, let's go on to page 4. Let's see if we can figure out this word. Well, he has a ribbon on. It looks like he just won something maybe, right? I can be proud. This is a tough word to sound out too. You definitely would need some help with this one. Proud. I can be proud. Go ahead and write be. I can be proud. Yes, you can definitely be proud if you won a medal. Maybe he played a sport. Maybe he did something really good in school and he got a ribbon from his teacher. Yeah, you would be definitely proud of that if you had great work. All right, you're turning the page to page 5, looking for that 5 down at the bottom so you know where we're at. Oh, now this one's a tough word too. This is tricky. I can be, sometimes you guys get this way in class sometimes when you know everything that we're doing. Bored. I can be bored. I guess her face looks like she's bored, doesn't it? Like, bored. Go ahead and write B. B, E. B. I can be bored. All right. Let's go to our very last page. That's going to be page 6. Let's see if we can look at the pictures to figure out our words. Well, we already know these 2 sight words and our third sight word. I can be, well, we can look at his face, but this one's a word that we can definitely sound out. Sad. Sad. I can be sad. In fact, we went over the add word family today. I can be sad. All right, go ahead and write the word be. I can be sad. Yeah, this book talks about our feelings, doesn't it? You can definitely be all of these feelings at one time or another, and that's okay. You don't have to be happy all the time, right? We're going to quickly read through this one more time because these are some different words and longer words and bigger words that I want to make sure that you remember. So remember our title is I can be, right? I can be scared. I can be happy. Page 3. I can be mad. Make sure you follow along with your finger. I can be proud. Remember, our finger gives us superhero powers to read. I can be bored. I can be sad. Good job. And again, we know all 3 of these sight words. We are getting so smart with our brains with all of our sight words. All right, friends, good job with this for our Readers and Writers Workshop. I hope your handwriting was nice and neat as well. And I hope you have a great rest of the day. Thanks for coming.